We're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2012 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Limited in Midnight Pearl and Brilliant Silver Pearl. Lots of beautiful chrome detailing on this bike. The wheels also really nice with that inside painted black for a nice contrast. We are dual disc brakes up here in the front, and we also are equipped with ABS. We have engine guards front and rear, and on the front we have those highway pegs so you can stretch out. We have rider and passenger floorboards, and previous owner put 2 additional fans for the front and rear head, keep the engine nice and cool. And this also has the 103 cubic inch engine in it. We have locking saddlebags and tour pack with the additional luggage rack on the top. The passenger seat is extremely comfortable. It has those speakers built into it, and we have that additional cup holder as well. Screamin' Eagle exhaust, sounds great. Engine looks beautiful. We have these higher handlebars. It's a really comfortable seating position with those, and the higher windshield as well. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.